Heidi ho. Yeah, you guessed it. It didn't work again. We're doing something wrong. First of all, the monitor didn't come on. And then when we got it to work, we only had the narrow screen. And God knows, it just don't want to know. There must be a setting wrong on the phone or something. I don't know. But every Saturday, we're having the same problem. So, should I keep trying or should I just stick with this? Damn it now. Right, today, I'm going to do the old US of A, $1. $1 coin. I think these are quite rare, but they're not that valuable. I think one or two could be, but yeah, it's really getting to me. So sorry, Bill, I could see you was there, but I couldn't. It was just the narrow screen, and you keep tilting the camera like it says, and it didn't go big. So what do you do? Who can I turn to? Come on, what am I doing wrong, somebody? Right, first of all, let's punch a hole in it. This is a 3/8 punch. Let's go to Big Bertha. Yeah, I don't know. Because my girlfriend is the clever one, like, I'm the stupid one. And even she's getting pissed off with it. Obviously, we've got a setting wrong with something in the phone, I don't know. I've checked YouTube and can't find anything out there. So, folks, this will be a bit of a late one today because it's just gone 8 o'clock. I was going to do 3 coins tonight. This one, a Greek one, and a 20 pence, and lots of chit chat. Right, this is a deburring tool. I just want to clean up that inside edge, make sure it's clean. Yeah, pain in the arse. A few people have left me comments saying going live is a pain until you can get it sorted. Hit the button, go live, and it went live, but just a narrow screen. I mean, that's no good for me. Right, let's give this puppy a bit of love. You're looking for a coin ring? Custom made one? I'll let you make you one. So it looked like you American boys are going to lose TikTok maybe. I nearly went on TikTok doing this. Because it's a lot more straightforward, evidently. And you can zoom in and out, but on YouTube you can't. But I thought I'd stick with YouTube. I'm glad I did. I mean, Trump says he's going to try and cancel it, but, keep it, but we'll see. Right. What shall we go for? Liberty? No, it's going to have to be this side, isn't it? This is going to go face down. This is a 17-degree folding die. Let's go over to Big Red. And see what he's got for us. I just don't know what I'm doing wrong. Something. Well, obviously something. There you go, all organised. Got me coins ready. Got me can of Red Bull ready. But I will try it again next Saturday. Just want to clean up the edge, make sure there's no splits forming or cracks. There you go. It's nice and clean. Right. Let's go over to Spike. And see what he's going to do. This is a ring stretcher. This isn't for anybody in particular again, it's just me making a video. And a coin ring. There you go. What size? It nearly fits my little finger, but I'm going to have to reduce it to straighten the walls up, so let's give it a bit more. Okie dokie. That should do. Excuse me. So, that Christy Burr again. Still got a dry throat. Right, I want to cut that lip out. Is that lip? That's got to come out. Well, it's uncomfortable to wear. Oh God, I'm sick of this head cold. Your girlfriend's got it as well. Nearly there, a bit more. And a little bit more. There you go, nice and shiny in there. I've cut that lip out. Right, let's go over to the bottom end of Spike, and these are reduction dies. So let's see what we got. Yeah, there's a bit there we can use. You just want to straighten the walls up a little bit more, I think. It's nearly there. So it's Easter. They were selling Easter eggs in England before bloody Christmas. I mean, whatever's going wrong? The whole world's gone crazy. I suppose after Easter they'll be selling stuff for Christmas again. Yeah, nice and straight, them walls. Pretty nice. Right, let's clean it up and see what we got. Let's get it, break out paintbrush. Shall we polish this or just leave it? Yeah, I'm going to leave it. I'll give it the Edwin look again. I like the Edwin look. I do clear coat the rings as well afterwards. Oh, once I've sold them. I don't clear them before I sell them in case you want me to adjust the size. And doing that would ruin the clear coat, so I wait until I've sold one. And then I clear coat it. There you go. The United States of America. $1. $1. Long time. Love you long time. $1. Okay. What size we got? This is a size 60 or 63, about the same as yesterday's ring. So there you go, folks. Sorry about tonight, but what do you do? Who can I turn to? You know, what's it all about, Alfie? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Tell me bye-bye.